So if you want to go ahead and export out your video for Twitter, then what you can actually do is you can choose the S.264 format right here. Once you go ahead and do that, over here in the preset, you can go ahead and click. And then what you can do is choose, let's say, for example, a preset. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose YouTube format right here, which is going to be 1080p and so forth. So if you want to go ahead and export it out for Twitter, you don't need high bandwidth. So you can go ahead and scroll down right here. And then you can see that the target bitrate is 16 right here. But you can go somewhere below right here on 5 to 6 megabits per second right here. So let's say I'm going to select 6 right here. So once I do that, over here, I can select the output name right here, just like this. And then I can export it out right here. And that will be okay to be uploaded for Twitter. So that is how you can go ahead and export out videos for Twitter using Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.